Welcome back. Time to make sense of shillings and cents in business. Women professionals have been urged to mentor young girls in pursuing careers in traditionally male-dominated fields such as finance, legal, engineering, manufacturing, and technology to help bridge the gender gap in these industries. Leaders at water and energy solutions provider Davies and Shirtliff Women in Leadership Initiative highlighted the stark underrepresentation of women in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics STEM careers.
Study reveals that only 35% of students enrolled in STEM-related courses in Kenya are women, with just 14% in natural sciences and 13% in engineering. Employers in STEM fields have been urged to implement policies that promote equal opportunities for women and eliminate workplace biases.
Now, those of you who are engineers, and I know there are quite a few here, you would know that in a class of 100, if you get 3, there are many, 3% thereabout. And so with that very thin pipeline, we have taken a very stern affirmative action that for every interview that we are holding, there must be ladies. And we are not giving them these positions because we are doing them a favor or because they're the weak agenda. That's a dirty word for us, weak agenda. We give them because they rightfully deserve, and they have delivered.
Industry leaders remain optimistic that Kenya's competency-based curriculum will help close the gender gap. Under the CBC, 60% of students entering grade 10 will be placed in STEM courses, with the remainder in arts, sports, science, and social sciences.
I like the choice of the phrase sustainable solutions. For it is not enough to meet one day like we're meeting today, propose beautiful solutions like we will do in a short while, record them in a glossy report that is stored away until the next International Women's Day event of 2026. It is not about ticking boxes. It is about the continuous and incremental steps that we continue to take towards gender parity.
Davies and Shirtliff's Women in Leadership Initiative has been at the forefront of fostering gender inclusivity. The program pairs senior female staff with mentees, leveraging storytelling as a powerful tool to inspire and nurture leadership skills. Betty Kiptum, Lunchtime News.